Looks funny. Looks funny, don't it? Mine just so many different things. That's from that bulldozer. It's probably the big gears in there. See, the drive axle thing comes in here and out here to the. Because you think of the leverage, you're trying to turn something from in here. When you go all the way out here, you lose so much torque. It just gains it back, turning a small one to a big one. And from that axle back to a big one. This is the back of the bulldozer. Right underneath. And I cut that edge. I'm just trying experiments here. I don't know. Just Dodge frame. C600, 700. A couple of, I don't know, cross members. I think it was for the back by the motor mounts or something. It was too high to be on top of here, and because I needed the width, so I built them up side to side like that. What I did is some pieces that I had cut off from another frame. Welded them on like plates, like extensions or something. But then I had to shave that off in order to get that to slide in, because I had to lower it and it'd be just the right width for the frame width, you know, with it like that. So then it'll be low enough to come parallel at the top of this. It'll box it off somehow with the gear reducer here coming from the motor. But yeah, so that's what I got so far. You got the walking, or what do you call it, levered, I don't know what to even call it, equal beam for the left and right tracks. Like it's so extended from the front end though. And then it's like a cab forward. So when you hit a bump, when you're all like I can't leave it all the way over here. You're gonna go or like a little rock. It's like, yeah, it's gonna be a crazy ride. Oh, you want to see the cab? Dodge. Dirty. Peace out. Don't forget to do all that stuff that everybody else always tells you to do. Only if you wanna, hit all that stuff. You wanna pay attention. We got like cool stuff going on. My non-Alaskan hauler. Yep. Cat powered. Alright. Peace out.